Okay, so another way to import pictures from the iPhone is to use preview. And what you're going to do is going to go to import. Okay, so we're going to import from my phone now. I plugged it in. So you have to unlock it. So when you unlock it already, you're going to wait. Still have some bugs here, but it's okay, just wait. There you go. So now you got all of these, everything on the phone, even the movies. So what you're going to do is that you want to import all or just import one. So let's import this and this. So import. So why do you want to import this one? So I'm going to put it in pictures. I'm going to put it in new folder, preview. Okay, so create and then choose its destination, so it's imported. So we're going to go to pictures, preview. There's all the there you go. Now, if you want to put them into the photo, so what you're going to do is going to open photo and we're going to import. So file, import. So we're going to import from preview. So import all new item. So now in my library I have these two guys here. So when we use iMovies or anything, it will show this library and these will be in it. We can use, it's called image capture. Again, we can copy this and this. So now it said download. You can download all. So the image capture is different. So we're going to download to pictures. Or we can create a folder. So now if you go to open the pictures folder, you have these two guys here. So I'm going to mark this one is image capture. Now let's sort this one by name so it's easier. So we go to image capture. There you go. So this one you scan, import the picture from the phone using the camera. So after you take the picture and then you said use photo and it will go in. So that's two ways to import, because on the new software I think Apple broke the photo app. Look at this. So it's not good. Okay.